Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Logitech G-Hub and set up the G316X keyboard. So start by connecting your keyboard to your computer. To do that, use this USB-C port, connect the original cable into it and the other side of the cable into your computer. After that, we're gonna have to install the G-Hub application, which we can do using any internet browser. For example, this one. Just search for G-Hub download. Find the official Logitech website with G-Hub gaming software. So here we can download it for both Windows and macOS. The installation process is quite similar. Since I'm using Windows 11, I'm gonna install it for Windows. Once I click right here, the file will be downloaded, and you're just gonna have to click on the setup file that you downloaded. Once you do that, the installer will pop up on your screen, and you're just gonna have to tap install and wait until this program is installed automatically, which is gonna take probably a couple of seconds. After the installation is finished, we're gonna have to skip a couple of screens, then click confirm. Now on the main page of this application, you will see your keyboard already here. Click download to install the firmware for your keyboard, and then wait until the firmware is updated. You will see the status bar at the bottom of this window. Okay, and so right now your keyboard is basically set up, and you can customize it and adjust it to your needs using the specific tools available in this application. After you do that, I also recommend restarting your computer to make sure that the changes were applied and that your computer recognizes your new keyboard properly. This will be it for this video, so thank you so much for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.